Hi everybody and welcome to another exciting recipe of the Robotics Cookbook. Today I'm going to show you how to decrypt data that has been encrypted before. During recipe number 5, in the last one, I showed you how to encrypt data that is stored in a data table, and now I want to show you how to decrypt that data so that you can use it in your subsequent process. First of all, we have to read in the data that we want to decrypt. Let's store the information in a variable that is called encrypted data. And once the information is available to us, we can use the activity to decrypt the text. Of course, the decryption only works correctly if we provide the correct encryption key, and we want to use the one that we have used before when we encrypted the data. The result that is produced by the decrypt text activity is a JSON string. This means that it has an inherent structure, and to use this inherent structure, we have to convert it back into a data table to use it in our subsequent process. So we create a variable that is able to store a data table. And now let's transform the JSON string into a data table. Now we can check whether our workflow is gonna work or not. And therefore we try to print out the produce data table. Let's run the workflow. And when we have a look at the results, we can see that it's exactly the random data that we generated and encrypted in the last recipe, number 5. Last step is just to emphasize that it just works if you have the correct encryption key. So if I adjust the encryption key by just adding a Y, which is then the wrong one, we can see that it doesn't work. So there's no chance to decrypt your data if you don't have the correct encryption key at hand. Please let me know what you want to see in the next recipe and leave me a comment down below. Thanks a lot for watching this recipe of the Robotics Cookbook. If you like the content of this video and you want to support the upcoming recipes, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot!